Hi everyone! Magandang gabi! I already made a video about this topic but since I accidentally deleted the video, I have to do this again. So, this video is about the difference between calling someone by name and calling someone by phone. Sa Tagalog, if you mean to say, call someone by name, let's say, call Anna. Call Anna, she's in the kitchen. Tawagin. Tawagin. Tawagin mo si Anna. Nasa kusina siya. Tawagin mo si Anna. Call Anna. She's in the kitchen. Nasa kusina siya. Now, if you mean to say, call someone by phone, halimbawa or example, here's the phone, call Anna. Here's the phone, tawagan mo si Anna. Tawagan. Let's say that again. Let's say that again. Tawagan. Tawagan. Kapag sinabi kong, if I said, call Anna, she's in the kitchen. Tawagin mo si Anna, nasa kusina siya. And you wanna say, okay, I'm going to call Anna. Okay, tatawagin ko si Anna. Tatawagin. At calling someone by phone, if I say, here's the phone. Tawagan mo si Anna. Tawagan. At you wanna say, okay, I'm going to call Anna. Okay, tatawagan ko si Anna. Tatawagan. Present tense, halimbawa, I saw you on the phone at you wanna tell me, I'm calling Anna. Tinatawagan ko si Anna. Tinatawagan. 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 The other example, I told you to call Anna. She's in the kitchen. So, you went out of the room and you're calling for Anna. Someone asked you, why are you yelling? At you wanna say, I'm looking for Anna or I'm calling for Anna. Tinatawag ko si Anna. Tinatawag. Tinatawag ko si Anna. Past tense about calling someone by phone. So, I gave you the phone to call Anna. At you wanna say, I already called Anna. Tinawagan. Tinawagan ko na si Anna. At calling someone by name. At you wanna say, I already called Anna. Tinawag. Tinawag ko na si Anna. Let's review. If I told you to call someone by phone, tawagan. At if you wanna say, okay, I'm going to call, tatawagan. I'm calling, tinatawagan. I called, tinawagan. At if I told you to call someone by name, tawagin. Tawagin. To answer, if you wanna say, okay, I'm going to call, tatawagin. I'm calling, tinatawag. At to say, I called, tinawag. At calling someone by name, if I told you, call Anna, she's in the kitchen. Tawagin. Tawagin. And to answer, if you wanna say, I'm going to call Anna. Okay, I'm going to call Anna. Tatawagin. Tatawagin. At present tense, I'm calling Anna. She's coming. Tinatawag. Tinatawag. Past tense. Okay, I already called Anna. Tinawag. Tinawag.